In 2015, the Bureau of Labor Statistics released a report which revealed that the average American spends over an hour a day cleaning. That's an hour that I could be browsing a Gertrude Hawk catalog. Or, spending time with my family. So I knew it was time to find another way of cleaning that would improve my increasingly slow pace. And that's when I discovered the 3-wave cleaning system. 3 waves to wash your grins away. Because there's no smiling when you're cleaning. But seriously, this system is just what you need to know where the heck to start. Do I start with dusting? Do I start with dishes? Do I start with my husband? There is so much that needs a very thorough cleaning around here. So who created this 3-wave system? Well, you may know her. At 2 million subscribers, Melissa Maker shares her cleaning system with the world here on YouTube. And thank God she does, because I found this way of cleaning to be extremely helpful. And after trying it, I knew I needed to share it with all of you, because she may have 2 million subscribers, but I have 2 million cells in my brain. Yeah. Actually, Google says I have 86 billion, so I'm kind of a big deal. So what is the 3-wave cleaning system? Well, in order to understand the way the system works, you have to think about a clock. Melissa wants you to picture each room in your house like a clock. You start at 12 o'clock and clean your way around the room hour by hour until you've reached 12 once again. This will ensure that you don't miss anything in the room. You're moving in a circle and hitting all your bases. So while you're working through your waves, keep this clock in mind. All right, now that you understand the clock, let's begin with wave 1. Wave 1 focuses on home organization, decluttering, and tidying. For this wave, we're not doing any cleaning at all. Yeah. Yet. Aww. Do you see all this clutter? How am I expected to clean when there's stuff everywhere? Even Flylady says you can't clean clutter, and this is why wave 1 is very beneficial. It can take a lot of time to rummage through all this stuff, which is why I loved her recommendation of grabbing a garbage or a basket to take around the room and collect all of the clutter. Yeah, you'll have to put it away later, but it keeps you from spending way too much time tidying, and we have cleaning to get to. I feel like I spend such a large chunk of time clearing surface clutter that I never have a chance to get to the actual cleaning. I've spent 30 minutes running around the room trying to place things where they belong, that by the time everything is picked up, the baby's awake, it's time to cook dinner, I'm too tired, I need a shot of chocolate syrup, something comes up. Which is why I think this is a great idea. So I'm working my way around each room like a clock, starting at noon and hitting each hour. By the time I was done, my basket was pretty full, but hey, look at that, clear surfaces. My house already looks clean. But don't believe it. It's as deceiving as your husband telling you he'll get to doing something later. So here's where we enter into wave 2, cleaning and disinfecting. This is where you're going to spend the most time, but with her systems in place, you're going to zoom through these rooms. First, she recommends that you grab a caddy or basket to place all your cleaning products so that you're not running back and forth. This is going to save you time. In my cleaning caddy, I have a screen cleaner, microfiber cloths, an all-purpose cleaner, and a window cleaner. So the goal of this wave is to remove all dust, annihilate those dust bunnies, make your surfaces shine, and clean anything else above ground, such as photo frames and knickknacks. So I'm starting at 12 o'clock and I'll work my way around each room. Something else she encourages that's very important is cleaning from top to bottom. You don't want to clean a surface, then dust your photo frames, only to have dust fall all over the surface you just cleaned. We're not trying to do more work here, but we want to be as efficient as possible. So work your way from the top to the bottom and you won't have to clean twice because cleaning once is hard enough. This may seem obvious, but it could be easy to forget. While I was cleaning, there were a couple times that I accidentally forgot to start from the top and had to re-clean a surface. And it's a miracle these surfaces are getting clean to begin with, but Melissa Maker makes a way. What a cool last name. I want a cool last name. Like Ariel Possible. Anything's possible for a possible. Okay, yeah, I totally ripped that off Kim Possible. Or maybe Kim Possible ripped that off of me. We'll never know. So once everything is squeaky clean, then we can move on to wave 3. The best of them all because it means you're closest to being done. You are at the finish line, my friend. You have now cleaned everything but your floors, and the last thing to do is vacuum and mop. Start from the furthest point of your house so you don't mop yourself into a corner. That may seem obvious, but we've all done it at one point or another. Well, at least I have. After I finished sweeping and mopping, I grabbed my basket and put everything away where it was supposed to go. But it was so much easier this way. What would have probably taken me 30 minutes only took me about 5 minutes. Having all my clutter in one place made me so much more efficient in getting things put away, as opposed to running around the house, picking up and tidying one thing at a time, which is never very productive. This 3-wave system is the way to go if you like to get things done quickly. My house feels clean, and this time, that's not just because I cleared the surface clutter, but it's actually clean. I will certainly be using this system over and over again, and I know you guys will love it too. So thank you, Melissa Maker, and I will link her channel below so you guys can check her out. But hey, she's not the only one with a pretty cool cleaning system. Click on this video to check out the Organized Mom method. I tried it for a week and I just loved the simplicity of it. You don't want to miss this one.